In this stretch tutorial, we're going to be stretching out the flexor hallucis longus, and it's one of 3 deep compartment lower leg muscles that attaches all the way to the big toe. So if you want specifically, it attaches to the distal phalanx of the big toe. So what we're going to need here is a wall. We're also going to need something to prop the toes up. So we actually want to get the toes into extension. So if the muscle does flexion, so flexor hallucis longus, we need to get the toes into extension, which means pointing the toes up. Now, once the toes are pointed up, I've got the toes here pointing up on a yoga block. I'm now going to come into a position where I'm going to bring my opposing leg slightly back. I'm going to keep my chest up, I'm looking forwards, and as I then come into dorsiflexion, which means coming forwards with that front knee, I then should start to feel a stretch in the deep compartment of the posterior leg. So I'm going to come forwards. I could do repetitions, so I could decide to hold for a couple of seconds and come out. Or alternatively, you can do this as a static stretch where you come forwards, hold, and then repeat exactly the same as what you did on your first side on your second side as well. So whatever you decide to do, whether it's sets, repetitions, or alternatively holding, make sure that you do exactly the same on both sides, and that is how to stretch out your flexor hallucis longus.